Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 570 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. If you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can go to the phone that is paired with our watch, and we need to download and install the Connect IQ Store application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So make sure you have the internet connection, open the Play Store or App Store depending on what type of device you're using. I'm using Android, so I'm gonna use the Play Store, but if you're using iPhone, you can also open the App Store and the app is there as well. So tap on search bar and type in IQ Store and tap on search. And on the list of apps you should see Connect IQ Store app with this icon. You can tap on it, then tap on install and wait until the application is done installing. Once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it, tap on welcome. Here you should see the account from your Garmin Connect app that you used to pair the devices together. You can switch the account if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on continue, check the box, tap next. Allow the required permission. This one is not required, but you can also allow it. And after few seconds you should see the home page, and here you can scroll through the list of different apps and categories. As you can see, we have the top paid apps, we have top paid watch faces, basically different categories. You can browse them if you want to and look for something. I'm just gonna tap on search, scroll through this list right here, select the apps to narrow my search only to apps, and then I can browse the list of apps and look for something I want to install. I don't know, maybe let's install something like let's say, I don't know, just find something you like. I'm just gonna install whatever. So let's say I'm gonna install Windy app. I'm gonna tap on it. Here we have a description page for our app. You can read the description, you can see the screenshots, you can see the reviews, and if you're not sure the app will work on your watch, you can tap on compatible devices, scroll through the list and look for your watch. And it is right here, so it means that the app will work on our watch. So we can tap on install, allow the required permissions, and the app will be queued for the download. And sometimes it might take a bit longer for it to install because something is in queue before the app. So I recommend to just wait. After the app is done installing, you might see the pop-up on your watch, and also sometimes you will see the pop-up in the app saying that the app was done installing. As you can see right now, it's stuck on the installing, even though it said on the watch that it's done. So we can check, and it's not installing anymore, so basically it didn't update. And if you tap on my device apps, it says it's not installed, but I'm pretty sure it is. Let's try syncing the watch with our phone again. Still not installed, huh? Okay, let's check on the watch actually. Something is not right. So I'm gonna check on the watch. To see the apps you installed, you need to press the start button to open the favorites menu or activities menu, and then scroll down. And if you installed some kind of application, it will appear right here at the bottom of the menu. And it is here, and we can tap on the icon. Actually, we have it. And it is working, so something is not updating right here in the app. It's still installing for some reason. What if we reopen the Garmin Connect, or rather Connect IQ Store? Let's reopen the app. Oh, okay, so after reopening the app, it updated. Something is wonky there. And basically that's how you install the applications. You use the Connect IQ Store application to download the apps. It's very simple, quite quick, and not that bad compared to other watches. Okay, and that's how you install applications. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.